This channel got 4 million views in just last 30 days and makes $1,000 to $19,000 last month. Can you imagine? Just uploading kids videos. Just kids videos. Only 129 uploads in just and got 500 lakhs million views. Can you imagine? Just uploading kids channel videos. After viewing the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now we can check the channel. This is the channel and what you have to upload. ABCD train video. Check. This video got 345 million views. This channel got 40 million views. This channel got 205 million views. This channel got 200 million views. This video got 40 million views. This video got 31 million views. Can you imagine? Just uploading a kids video. You have to upload just 2-minute videos. This is so simple. So let's start. First of all, open the ABCD Train app. I will provide this app on our Telegram channel. You don't find the apps on the Play Store or App Store. It is so hard. So I will upload these apps on the Telegram group or Telegram channel. You just download and install the app. And don't forget to turn off the Wi-Fi or data connection on your app or on your mobile phone. Then open the app. Then click to the play icon. And don't forget to download a screen recorder, high definition screen recorder app for doing this. You just have to screen record this and voice over the video for short times. You have to click on this. Now you have to say A for apple and press on that.
B for
now
ball.
Say B for ball. Now press on. Now say C for car. Now
for
say
duck.
D for duck.
E
Now
for
say
elephant.
E for elephant.
F
Now
for
F
flower.
for flower. And that's all.
G for giraffe.
And you have to record A to Z.
Giraffe.
Like now we are on G and you have to voice over and screen record the video until Z. Don't use the app sound or app voiceover. Use your original voiceover. After your screen record on the app, then open the video on your KineMaster app. I will provide KineMaster and ABCD Train app on the Telegram group, so check it out on there. Then cut your videos when it start. My video start with here. Here we can make a cut. Here just add a background music. I will provide the background music also on the Telegram group. I add suppose to this. Now go to the main portion. When you come on this, just add a voiceover and say click voice and click start. C for car. Come here and click D for dark. So this video creating is so simple. And after that, export your videos.
I show every steps that helps you.
I just export this for. You can find all materials on our Telegram channels.
If you want more money making copy paste videos,
And don't forget to subscribe the channel.
thank you.